Hello, my name is Jutta Kellenberger and I just have created a new website. I'm very excited about that and I want to inform you about the contents. I'm a teacher of the Universal Healing Taoist system and I teach a big variety of different practices in energy cultivation. So for the beginner it's sometimes a little bit confusing as there are so many different things to do. So the basic practice actually is about transforming our emotions, which we practice to the inner smile and the 6 healing sounds. And this is connecting us with ourself, with our emotional body. And we call this the meditation practice, the core meditation practices. And we also have, of course, more advanced meditation practices, but we focus on this basic, so the meditation part. And we cultivate the energy for the meditation through physical exercise. So we have a number of Qigong practices that we practice, and also Tao Yin. Tao Yin is more like a kind of yoga, and we focus very much on developing the lumbar in the Tao Yin, because we also need to have a flexible lumbar when we go into the energy cultivation practice. So this is called more like the martial art. We also include Tai Chi, different forms of Tai Chi. And the third level of practices is called the healing arts. So through the basic practices of the Universal Taoist system, which are the energy cultivation and the meditative practices, transforming our emotions, and the physical part, the Qigong and the Tao Yin, we cultivate more energy within ourselves. And energy has a consciousness, so also we become more aware about ourselves, and with this we also become aware about others. So we like to help other people, and we have the healing arts that we can develop in order to be of assistance to others. We call that Qi Ne Tsang. So we have 5 levels of Qi Ne Tsang, starting with the abdominal massage, and we also have cosmic healing, where we don't touch, so we work with the energy in between. So this is the Taoist healing art that is also quite an important aspect of our self-development, because everybody who cultivates more energy will necessarily feel the need also to assist others, simply because we become more aware about others' energy, and yeah, that's how it is. So in my website you find my calendar where I teach. So I teach in many cities all year round, and I teach also the whole aspect what I just mentioned, so you can choose where you would like to start. So you may start with female healing or a healing love course, or you can also start with a basic course. This is the foundation practice, and you can also start with Qi Ne Tsang, with the abdominal massage, and step later into the self-cultivation. So we have actually 3 openings, so you can start with basic practice, you may start with Qi Ne Tsang, and you can also start with cosmic healing. So you have a choice. So there's no prerequisite for either of these practices. And also in my new website, you will find my blogs and about the healing art and about the spirituality that I teach. And I hope that you find the time to look at it.